Fred, thank you so much and welcome to the global conversation on the World Intelligence Congress. Why AI matters so much?
So David, artificial intelligence is a really, really important topic for us today because we live in an increasingly complex world. And this means in real time, we need to be able to make decisions, we need to be able to control and manage transactions, we need to be able to manage systems, and we have this tremendous amount of data and so much happening around that data that it's very, very difficult for humans to be able to manage that. So we need very complex algorithms. So artificial intelligence to me is that key component.
What is your vision of a smart city?
So I think, David, smart cities are still in their embryonic stage. We are seeing cities attempting to define and attempting to develop into smart cities. But really the driver behind this is that we have a growing population in the world. And at the same time, this population is urbanizing at a fantastic rate. What we will see is that we'll find that the world will have, and in particular in China will probably be the country with the most megacities being cities with over 10 million people in. And when you think about how does a city conduct its activities, how do the authorities manage that city, how do the people actually live in that city and get around and do this efficiently and do this in a convenient way and enjoy living in that city, you would need to have a lot of information and you would need to have a lot of collaboration.
What are the things we need really to look at in terms of technological changes, the technological dynamics?
I think we could spend a long time on talking about, because there are so many different needs that society has for technology. But for me, what's really important in this new connected world that we're going to live in, as we mentioned in the case of a smart city, that we do have a real-time, high-speed network that's available to us for all of our devices. So these could be our computers, our telephones, whatever devices that we have, for example, measuring equipment for temperatures we've seen in COVID-19, about traffic control, the GPS navigation, information systems that big cities need, that people need, that the healthcare system needs. So 5G plus, 6G, whatever we come up with. The final one that I'd like to put out there that I feel is really important is robotics will be part of our life.
Absolutely. Fred, it is really important what you said about the impact of 5G. I think not enough people anticipate how we are going to use 5G, the use of 5G, and the effects on our society. At the World Intelligence Congress, one cannot not to think about innovation. In your mind, with your experience, your knowledge of the world, your knowledge of the global business, what fosters innovation in the 21st century?
David, it's really a question that's very dear to my own heart, because I feel that the human race has become such a successful species because of our curiosity. And we cannot be innovative if we are not curious. And so, to my mind, the importance of innovation is not just having some system in your company or in your business or in your business school or in your university of how do we come up with some innovative ideas. It's really creating an innovative mindset in people, bringing their curiosity to the surface.
I think if we can combine collaborative and innovative mindsets, I am sure that we are on a path for all of us at the level of mankind, a path of progress.